Check active network connections in Windows. Internet is working. How to disable wireless network or Ethernet network adapter on Windows 11. On Windows, open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click the Disable button for the network adapter to disable. Check again network connection. Unable to network connection. How to enable wireless network or Ethernet network adapter. On Windows, open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click the Enable button for the network adapter to enable. Check again network connection. Now internet is working. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe our channel. Please like and comment. And share this video on social media platforms.